Hello everyone, I would like to show you the smart irrigation project. We are trying to monitor the moisture levels of these three plants using IoT. So we are using Arduino IoT app. So the application will be like this. So it will look something like this, and we have named this app as soil moisture. So currently the system is off. Now let's try to turn on the system, and you can see this is a water supply from where the water will be delivered to the plants here. So as soon as the system is on, you can see here it will give you an alarm because the water tank is empty. Now we will try to fill the water tank. Now you can see there is a water level sensor here. So once the sensor is up to the water level mark, now the buzzer is stopped. Okay, so now let's come back to the system. So from the water tank there are these three valves that will be opening and closing whenever the moisture level is not sufficient. So let me show you using the IoT application. We will turn on all the valves, so the water will be coming out. But once all the three valves get enough water, and once all the three solenoids, you can see here, now there's a moisture level sensor here. This sensor is detecting the water, so you can see still it is not triggered. So once it is triggered, the water will stop. Yeah, now the water will stop. So there is moisture here, you can see when there is a moisture, the valve will stop. Similarly, you can see now if I remove this sensor from this one, there will be water flow again, but once I insert this sensor, the water will be stopped. Similarly, you can see for this also, when I remove the sensor from this one, the water will come. You can see as I dip the sensor once again, the water flow will stop. Similarly here also, once I remove the sensor outside, the water will flow, and once the sensor has enough water, now all the three valves are stopped. Now all the three valves have stopped. Okay, this is how we are trying to monitor the water levels for three plants. Okay, so as soon as there is a water deficiency, you can see the valve will turn on, and when again I put back this, the valve will turn off. So this is completely automatic operation, and even I can control the valves here. So if I want to turn off the water supply completely, irrespective of the soil moisture, you can see here I have turned off all the valves. Now even if I remove the water level sensor, the water will not come out. You can see here. So when I place it back, I am getting a signal here, but still there is no water because I have turned off the valve. So again, let's try to turn on the valve here. So I have removed the sensor, and I'll try to turn on the valve. So you can see the valve is on. You can see. So whenever I try to turn on this valve, there's a water flow, turn off. But if I keep the sensor here, now if I turn on the valve also, the water will not come because the sensor is already detecting enough humidity. And even like you can see here, it will give you the temperature and humidity levels also. So this is completely using IoT. So I will try to turn on all the valves. So you can see whenever the moisture levels are low, the valves will try to turn on automatically. Like once again I'll show. So if I remove here, you can see the water is coming out, and if I place it here, the water will stop. Similarly here also, if I remove it up, the water will come again. If I place it inside, the water will stop. So this is our smart irrigation project, where we can individually control the valve actuation using the app. At the same time, using soil moisture sensor, we can able to create a smart irrigation system. That's it. And whenever the water level is low, so you can see the buzzer activation. Now I'll show you. Trying to remove the water here, you can see as soon as I try to remove the water, the buzzer is getting activated. Once again, if I fill this, the buzzer will stop. So this is a smart tank. So if you're looking for similar kind of projects or any BTech or MTech projects, you can contact us. And this is our smart irrigation system project. Any comments are appreciated. Thank you.